Hey everyone, want to build a personal knowledge library in NotebookLM? In this video, I'll show you how to collect, organize, and use your own information with NotebookLM step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Sign in with your Google account and open your workspace. Next, create a new notebook that will become the foundation of your personal knowledge library. Now decide what type of information you want to store, such as research papers, books, notes, articles, work documents, learning materials, or personal references. Next, upload your sources into NotebookLM. You can add supported files like PDFs, Google Docs, text files, and other useful documents. Organize your notebooks by topic, project, or category. I mean, creating separate notebooks for different areas of knowledge makes it easier to find information later. Use clear names for your notebooks and sources so you can quickly identify important materials. Once your sources are added, ask NotebookLM questions to explore your information and discover connections between different documents. Create summaries, study guides, FAQs, and notes to turn your stored information into a searchable knowledge system. Regularly update your library by adding new documents, removing outdated files, and improving your organization system. Finally, use your personal knowledge library to support learning, research, writing, planning, and decision-making. And that's how to build a personal knowledge library in NotebookLM. By organizing your information and using AI-powered analysis, you can create a powerful system for storing and accessing your knowledge more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.